Well, this has been some day. Now I just can't wait to get home so I can get some sleep. Hey, wait a minute. Where is everyone? Hello? Is anyone here?
Happy birthday, Bert.
Happy birthday, Bert.
Happy birthday, Bert.
Wow, you guys actually remembered. I can't believe it. I thought you guys forgot.
Of course we did.
Yeah, we just had to act like we didn't.
Yep, and if we told you that, then it wouldn't... I suppose... Indeed. And this was all my idea for this party for you. And before your birthday, when you were out working, I gathered the rest of the engines here and told them the plan.
Wow, thank you all so much. I really appreciate this. Here I was thinking this whole day that my friends didn't remember my birthday. But I can see that you did remember after all.
Like we said, we would never forget your birthday.
Wow, I just don't know what to say. I really appreciate this.
It's okay, Bert. You don't have to cry.
I'm sorry. It's just, I'm so happy to have friends like you guys who always have my back and are always there for me. And I'm always there for you guys. So, like I said, you don't know how much this means to me. I'm just so thankful to have friends like you, and I really appreciate it. So thank you for everything.
Yeah, without you, the railway wouldn't be the same. Not just our railway, the whole island of Sur wouldn't be the same without our miniature blue tender engine. He's right, and I'm happy to have you as a part of my railway and as a part of my family. We're all thankful that you're part of our family.
Thank you again. But now, let's get this party started.
Yeah, let's party.
Thank you all so much for throwing me this party.
It's no problem, Bert. Yeah, we know you would like it. And we can see that you do.
I sure do.
Isn't this a great party?
It sure is. In fact, I love it so much. Thank you again.
That's a good thing. No.
Well, I'm going to get home for tonight, so I will see you all in the morning.
Okay, bye sir, and good night. Well, anyways, guys, I think it's time to wrap up this party, since I'm getting tired. Well, anyways, let's get to bed, shall we?
Okay, sounds good to me.
Thank you all so much for the party. Once again, I really appreciate it.
It's no problem, but we know that we care about you.
Thank you all so much. Also, by the way, here's a quick question I have. Were the standard gauge engines involved in this plan of yours? Also, I almost got my words mixed up there.
No, why do you ask?
Well, because when I thought that you guys forgot my birthday, I ran away from our railway to the standard gauge railway, thanks to the new dual gauge tracks that were added all around the island. And I basically told them how I thought you guys forgot my birthday, so that's pretty much why I asked. But now that I think about it, I'm the only one who used them so far from our railway, so I don't see how you guys would have time to tell them that. So now I feel like an idiot for telling them that. But like I said, I didn't know at the time. So yeah. So I should probably go explain it to them.
Don't worry, we're the ones to explain, since we are the ones who came up with the plan in the first place. Yeah, so it's only fair that we explain it to you.
Okay, then. Well, anyways. Thank you guys once again. I really appreciate it. Well, anyways, I think it's time we should get some sleep, shall we?
That's right. Well, anyways, good night, Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good night. Good night.
Good night, guys, and thank you all again for this amazing party and this amazing birthday. I really appreciate it.